You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. It's time to do another Japanese do-it-yourself candy kit. This one is from Meigum. Now, I actually showed this on a previous video, and it was picked to be next in line. This one here is a question mark drink, because on the bottom, it looks to be like jelly or a thicker liquid, and on the top, it's going to foam up, and you get a mystery flavor from that, I'm guessing anyway. And then right here is where they're showing you the shaking part, which is on the instructions. Well, there's all the other pertinent information if you can read that. Let's see, right here, after you do step 1, here you mix it 50 times, then you do step 2, and then mix it 50 times with the stick, and that gives you the 2 layers. A little caution in here on making sure you don't put the lid on top. All right, little camera change here, get some water, and I'm going to come back and we're going to make this kit. Okay, here we go. Now this one here has a little clear bottom so you can see inside. Pretty neat. I did want to just grab it and crinkle it before I ripped it open. Now, I did want to say the last video I made of a kit like this was actually flagged for inappropriate for content. Still trying to figure that one out. I think it has to do maybe with keywords. From what I'm understanding and trying to figure out, it has to do with kids and gluttony with food and candy. That's why a lot of candy channels were removed from YouTube. I still don't get it though, because you see a lot of the food challenge videos with top channels, and I don't think you can get more gluttonous than that. And well, I don't know. That's why I don't know why my videos have been flagging. Could be keywords. I'm pretty sure it has nothing to do with the actual content. It has to do with the keywording or the title or something, since they'll never tell me. They don't tell you. All right, so step number 1. Enough of that. Let's have fun. Let's hope this video does not get flagged. All right, so pour in the packet. There is a little, well, let's get the straw. Pretty unique looking straw. It's like a pull-out straw. So it's a mixer and a straw, but you just separate it. There we go. Look at that. So it's retractable. Ooh, a retractable straw. So that's going to be there. And here's the lid. Now, at one point, they do say it's going to make a nice click. There you go. So that's going to be our nice click. And it's clear, so we can see what's going on. All right. Blue packet. Well, actually, I'll tell you what. Let me get my first dose of water ready here. I'm guessing it's right to that first edge where the red line is in their instructions. Put this in. And then between mixes, it did say to wait. At least, I don't know. My translations sometimes don't always give me the best results, but so do the first one. Put this in. And then put in the second one. So with all that said, I'm not sure what's going on anymore. This kind of makes it scary as to whether you make a video or don't make a video or what. Okay, look inside. So this should jelly up. Do you spend the time making the video just to have it stopped? Okay. That's a neat sound here. Ooh, it just got thicker. Did you hear that? Now that's probably close to 50. Someone else is probably counting. I'm not. Okay, let's just take a look at it. Oh yeah, look inside there. Look. It's definitely been jellified. Let me just touch it. I want to touch it. Yeah, look at that. So, taste-wise, kind of grapey to me. I think we're good there. Look at it. It doesn't even shake anymore. All right, I'm going to let this settle. I think they want it to settle down. And then, hey, settle down. I will come right back and then do the next step. Okay, here we go. Brought a spoon in just in case I need it. Now, I did clean up the lid so that I can pour fresh water in there. And now it does say be careful not to mess up or mix up the jelly. What does it say? It said, please be careful not to ruffle. It's easy to mix jelly below, so I don't think they want you to over mix it. They want the top to stay foamy in the bottom, and then as you taste it and scoop it, I think they want you then to get the flavor of both. So we will see. We'll kind of do what they say here and go from there. Let's get water number 1 ready. Okay. Boy, it's always scary when you pour like that on a video that you're gonna dump it all out. Now we should get some foaming action. There's one. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. There, we're done with that. And that. All right. Now take your straw and mix. Careful not to ruffle. We get that powder. Well, that's cool. That's pretty neat. Let me zoom in there so you can get a good look at that. So I'll turn it around. Ooh, starting to foam up now. Almost near the top. So you see some will break up, but I don't think they want you to go too much in there. But now I'm in play mode, okay? So I've done what they said. And now I need to give this a taste before it goes way over. So here we go. It's actually quite good. And look, there's a little color change when you mix it too. And surprisingly, the gummy part goes up the straw really nice. I wasn't sure exactly how that would be, like if it was too thick to be able to drink it, and it's not. All right. Overall, pretty cool. And it tastes great. What does it taste like? Let me take another taste. The foam tastes like a Ramune drink to me. The jelly, which goes in your mouth and you kind of have to, you don't necessarily have to chew it, but you want to swish it around. Still tastes like grape. Hey, what happened to it? It retracted. Get back out there. Very nice little kit. All right, so I have more kits on the way. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it for you. There's some good slurping sounds. And if you want to see more videos like this, look in that description. I'll have a playlist there. And again, I appreciate you watching this video. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.